Shorty said she coming with a
I
friend.
legit added him. I legit added him.
She wanna come over, yeah, but I don't want no love.
Holy, these kids are raping me.
Yeah, the moolah. I just wanna make the moolah.
Aiden, if you don't let me kill you, then I'm gonna try. She put in the pineapples in the berries in the
I just wanna make the moolah la. Yeah, the moolah la. I just wanna make the moolah la. Got 'em all screaming ooh la la. Yeah.
Oh, you think I'm bluffing? Baby, I don't really bluff about nothing. She know my money stay coming. Maybe that's why she want my loving. She want my heart, it don't belong to you. I swear it's been a while since I thought of you. I've been with these hoes, they popping bottles, what they do. I can't do no one-on-one, I'm fucking by the two. She just shooting her shot at me like she started open. She just told me she love me, girl, I even improve it. Since I've been getting checks, she gon' time me just to do it. Why I'ma give you a shot to be the
Don't need your loving, so don't tell me nothing. Oh, you think I'm bluffing when I say no coffee. Shorty said she coming with a red dress, cause she saw a young nigga pull up in the Rover. Now she said she wanna come over, yeah, but I don't want no love. I just wanna make the moolah la, yeah, the moolah la. I just wanna make the moolah la. Come on, screaming ooh la la, yeah. I don't want no love. You know me, I only think about funds. Me, I'm tryna do my own thing on my ones. I'm sorry, darling, I don't want no hugs. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Had a couple guys try to hold me down, but they ain't my queen, they can take my crown. They tried to claim it, I lost and found, but I only got love for the peas and the pounds. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I love being paid. I don't want you, no, I don't want bait. Tryna get my funds up in numerous way. Couldn't give a damn what a nigga gotta say. I don't need your loving, so don't tell me nothing. Oh, you